Look at this. Do you see this? I see this. This is a box. What can be inside? Stay tuned. Here we go. Hit it. Greetings. It is I, Palehorse20, coming to you today with a mail call video. First time a mail call. How exciting. I have been received a package, Mecha 2, come in the mail. What is this? What a surprise. No, actually it's a surprise because I don't give my address out. How the hell do people find? It's not good, man. But in the spirit of a YouTube mail call, we make an open packages. Okay? Ready? Here is the first one. Like I said, I don't know who they come from. How do they find me? I don't know. But it's good luck, huh? It's a good luck. Besides, who would want to kill me? I mean, seriously. The only person I know who would want to kill me actually lives with me. Be right back.
Ei sunt mafia. Sunt peste tot în jurul nostru. Sunt de neoprit. Sunt duri și lipsiți de scrupule. Dar au și ei o mamă. Mama. Care va afla cu ce se ocupă din Academia Cațavencu. Academia Cațavencu. Pentru unii mumă, pentru alții ciumă.
Okay, listen, I got the tape, but you gotta make her open that box, okay? I'm not going to open, all right? Okay, wait. Woo! Well, didn't see that one coming. Hope he's doing okay. We'll see. Okay, so, first box. No good. Second box. Looks like I have to open. I just lost. Would you believe? New position open. Official box opener for a Palehorse20. Just came open. How about that? I have to open this one. So, luckily, I know who this box comes from, okay? I don't know how it got here, but I know the person who sent, okay? So this one, I'm a little more comfortable with the open this box, okay? This comes from a Palehorse20, okay? Here on a Zika shoot, Discord server, yes. I get the brain to work at some point. Here on a Zika shoot, the Discord server. He also on a YouTube. He doesn't have no videos up yet. But when he started to make a video, we give his channel a plug, right? Let's open the box, okay? First, I think, let's open the box, but no. We go like a sensible people, okay? So, look at these. Look at all these duct tape. I haven't seen this much duct tape since back in '89 when we kidnapped him. Let's open the box. Oh, like a surgeon. See, delicate. Right, cut, very delicate. Be careful, don't sleep and cut throat, okay? Wife be happy, me not so much. Next. Down the middle. Not too deep. Something could be lying in there that could get cut. And you will make a very poor video when you open it up and show, look, I just destroyed what I got in the mail. And this duct tape is not kidding. Oh, look, oh. Woo! Hot skip the beat on that one. But look, we good, okay? No boom boom. Off at least. Cut. Oh, here we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look at this. Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy. Cut. Get open. Okay. Wow, look at all this great stuff. Look, here. Oh, look, I can't believe that. And look at this. Amazing. I never seen one of these before. This is great. Oh, would you like to see? Okay. Oh, look. See, look. It destroys Look at that. Go from dark to light. To dark to light. Destroy automatic exposure. High quality. Let us get inside the box. Look at it there. Oh. Holy crap. Okay, I'm gonna have to put this on the ground. This rabbit hole go deep, okay? Here we go. Pay no attention to that. What is it? Oh, look. Pants. Big pants with a suspender. Huh? Look. Ah, Slowski, Farmer Joe. Ha ha. Out in the field, growing the crop. Very good. How quality. Look at this camouflage pattern, huh? Look at this. Okay. Okay, these are... We'll see. I don't know. They might be a little big, or I might be a little big. I don't know. I'm very big. Okay. We will try these on. Hopefully they're not too big. Hopefully they're not too small. Okay? Goldilocks pants. Very good. Yeah, she told me that these are Swiss. Okay? You know the Swiss? High quality watch, make a bank, make a to Europe and the whole world. I like a Swiss. Make a good hot chocolate too. Very good. Next, let us see. Here we go. Oh my God, look at this. Oh my God, this weighs a ton, okay, literally. Good Lord. Is it upside down? Is it right side? I have no idea. There's a collar. There's sleeves. God, oh, this is a nice heavy jacket. Oh boy, this is a good. Look, camera just a jump. It's so excited. Very good. Oh man, this is a heavy jacket too. Look at this. And it's pretty damn big. I hope it'll fit. I seriously do. Look at this. Very nice. Very nice. A hot quality. The Swiss make a hot quality, okay? Does not matter what. The whiskey, well, not so much the whiskey, but the chocolate and the gold bars and the women. Because when you got a chocolate and a gold bar, one naturally follows the others. And I just lost my channel for that. Enjoy! Okay, next. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Holy look at this. Okay. Look like we got a new Tigger sticker, okay? Look at uh-oh. Oh. You just got a Slowski 5 to 10 in a federal prison. Thank you. I love you. Thank you very much. Look at this. Look. Look. Pretty. Wait, get the grip. Wait. Oh, find the hose. Here we go. Let's see. We must get the perfect setting. Right there. Woo! Look at this. Wow. Huh? Right there. Very good. My God, what is this? I cannot read it. Look, these are sunglasses, not a reading glass. For me, blind. Nice down. Nice down. Never heard. Very interesting. I have to look into this more to see exactly what this is. But I can tell you, man, from the feel of this, man, that is some weight right there. You know, that thing. Nice, a little bit on the end. Smaka. Yeah, that'll some brain. Go inside, stir them up like a stir fry. Hot quality. Very good. Let us see what else is in the box. Man, this is amazing to see. Hold on, look at this. Oh! Look at this. Be right back.
You've heard his hauntingly beautiful music in movies, on radio and TV. He's sold over 20 million records round the world. His name is Zamfir.
Oh, look at this. This, okay. I have to play around with the inside because it seems kind of funny on my, I have a bigger head. What do you expect, okay? Bigger head. I cannot help it. Eyes showing, whatever. Look at these. These are nicer helmets. I hope to God I have it on right. Let's see, a strap. And a strap for to make a shoulder. Right? Okay, we have to adjust. Not too bad. What is this? Look. Look at this. Yeah, like a cat, right? That's the point. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Oh, look at this.
12 seconds later.
What time is it? Oh, Jesus. Okay. Look at this. Very good. A helmet. Little small, bigger head. We make it work. Very nice. Face sleep. Eyes fall out. I am so excited. Look. Look at these. And Jesus, look at this. Okay, I'm ready for Easter. I don't know about you. Next. What is in the box? That, uh-oh. More is in the box. Unbelievable. I told you, a rabbit hole. All right? I getting close to the rabbit. Hold on. Be right back. AK magazines, because who the hell doesn't need AK? Oh, look. Oh, slab side. Look at this. It's a taco slab side. Jesus, camera shaking like earthquake. He's a taco. Slab side, huh? Look, I like a taco, man. I enjoy my taco. They have a waffle pattern. Whatever. Man, those things just a run bully, okay? No problem. I like this slab side. Look good. High quality. Very good. Taco. Out of business. Very good. Thank you. Again. And again. And again. Look. There are two. We have a matching set. One for each AK. Underfoot. 6 a stop. Very good. High quality. Good Lord, man. This is amazing. Okay, look. Here is waffle pattern. I don't know who make these. Okay, I don't know who made these. And if they put a stamp on to tell me, I will not see because I am blind. But look, 2 more. We take these, man. We run these. We see what the hell these will do. Okay? Could be, I think, I don't know. Look, they got the marking on the back. Okay? I've been too busy the last year to make up our surplus. I don't check out new. I see this. This might be a KCI. This could, I don't know. Tell me in comment section. What the hell am I holding in my hand? Look, framed at the picture. Beautiful, right? Ah. Well, I think that's everything in the... One second. Well, it looks like we have a new friend in the AK Slavsky family. I would like you to meet my cousin Jim. Jim, say hello to the lovely people. Yes. Jim and I will be having intricate conversations tonight. We have much to talk about. Isn't that right, Jim? He's my cousin. Very good. How about it? We're gonna have talks with each other about the direction of the channel. Jim says, stop with that. Okay, we stop with that. Jim, he very smart. Looks like a good time for all. Well, okay. I don't know what to say, right? Hold on, wait. No, I'm not dreaming. This is real. This is all real. Look, these, and 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 these. Holy crap, for the first ever mail call that I didn't get seriously injured in, this was a high quality. No, not high quality. The highest quality, okay? Get that right. Highest quality available. Gotta do something with this stack. This needs to sit lower on my head. This is freaking me out. Like a baby, riding on top of my head. Oh! I don't know what else to say. I am absolutely glad, happy, beyond human belief. Okay? I just want to say to Palehorse20, I don't know if his real name is his YouTube channel name. I don't know if I want to do that. If he wants to, I'm listen, Palehorse20. You know who you are. When you change the name on YouTube to that, okay? You delete up your real name there, but don't make it a Palehorse20. That is a good name. You must have used. How was it? You come up with a brand new name. Make advantage. Look at this. Unbelievable. Look, Swiss. Lot of red. Is there a lot of red in Switzerland? I don't know. Very good. We're gonna try this out. Hope to God it. Oh, please. If it don't, I'm gonna get mailed to pay. Okay, this is I like this. Okay, like I like it my German. I like it the Swiss. Give me a European. I like. Okay, beautiful. And now a word from our sponsor. There is no sponsor. But there could be. Listen, Jim, give me a call, okay? You talk to me, okay? High quality video, we make. This is a filmmaker of a new generation, okay? Very good. Look at this, male call, beautiful. I don't know what else to say. I have to go and lay down because I'm eventually going to wake up from this dream. And I will, you know what I will find waiting for me? Where is it? This. This will be waiting for me next to the bed. Wake up, get on with your miserable life. But for tonight, we, whatever, give me, look, we dream tonight because this, put this on, you get the idea. Until next time. Hey, how did you survive that? Huh? This cat, man. I think you used up 4 of them 9 lives. Okay. Bye-bye. See you later.